Hi everyone, today we will discuss about the useful shortcuts in Excel. So functional keys usage with control. So from F1 to F12 we will use with control. So in our previous videos we discussed about functional keys F1 to F12. So if anyone missed out that video, we will provide the link in description. Please do watch. So coming back to today's topic, we will discuss about functional key usage with control. So see here, I given the detail from F1 to F12. So Ctrl F1 is nothing but the hide or display ribbon. So if you see in general Excel, if you found home page and the insert page layout everything, so you can able to see all these things. So if you press Ctrl F1, the ribbon is hidden. So if you want to again open the ribbon, if you press Ctrl F1, so hide or display the ribbon, it will be using with Ctrl F1. So next one is Ctrl F2. So in this function we can able to do the print preview. So if you press Ctrl F2, the page print view. So for this another shortcut is there, Ctrl P. Ctrl P also is the nothing but we can able to view the print preview. So this is the Ctrl F2. So Ctrl F3 is the name manager. So if you see, I given in I selected this row rate in the sheet. I am giving the Ctrl F3. So here you see the rate is selecting sheet 1 up to D3 to D14. So it is selected and name manager is selected. By using this name manager, we can able to give the some formulas without selecting this rows. So we can able to use this shortcut. And Ctrl F4 is nothing but closed save file. So whatever the files is open, it will be saved files will be closed. If you see, I press Ctrl F4, this file is closed. Again, so these two files are closed. So like that, the closed files, saved files will be closed. So I am opening this file again. So next one is Ctrl F5 is the restore window. If you see Ctrl F5, the file is restored. So again, if you want to open it, so the restore window, for restoring we can able to use Ctrl F5. So next Ctrl F6, for that I will open one more sheet. So we have two sheets. If the sheet name is Shift F1 and other one is another sheet is F1 to F12. If I use Ctrl F6, the shift to new workbook, there will be two workbooks. So I mean Ctrl F6, see the sheets will be changes. So for this we have the another option also, Control Tab. By using Control Tab also we can able to shift one sheet to another sheet. So next one is Ctrl F7 and Ctrl F8. These two keys will be using. For these two keys we have to use, first we have to restore the sheet, then I can be able to use move or size. We can able to explain. For this I can able to see I restoring this sheet. So if you see, we can able to move by using the mouse. We can able to move the sheet from top or anywhere. So instead of that, if you see, I am using Ctrl F7. The arrow indications is highlighted. So but without mouse, for right arrow, left arrow and down arrow and up arrow, by using this without using the keypad mouse, we can able to move the sheet. If you want to escape, go to the other function, you have to go for escape. So the sheet is now normal. So other keys, F8 is nothing but size. So if you see, pressing the Ctrl F8, so the again the keys are highlighted. If you see, I am decreasing the sheet from left side or increasing the sheet size is decreasing. So I am bottom, see the sheet size is increasing, so the sheet size is decreasing. Like that we can able to see, we can able to use without mouse. So if you want to come back, we have to press escape. So next Ctrl F9. If Ctrl F9 is nothing but minimize the sheet. So if you see, Ctrl F9 is nothing but minimize the sheet. See, the sheet is minimized. If I want to again, I will to open the sheet. So if you press the Ctrl F9, the sheet is minimized. Ctrl F10. Ctrl F10 is nothing but minimize or restore. So if is maximize or restore. So for minimize we have to use Ctrl F9. For maximize we have to use Ctrl F10. See, if I using the minimizing the sheet, so for the pressing Ctrl F10 we can able to maximize the sheet. So for pressing Ctrl F10 the sheet is restored. So minimizing is different and restoring is the different. So see, for minimizing Ctrl F9 I pressed, the sheet is totally closed, and pressing Ctrl F10 it is maximized. So next one is Ctrl F11 is a macro sheet. Instead of creating macro sheet with a set of standard format, so we can able to use Ctrl F11. See here in my sheet, macro 1, macro 2, macro 3, macro 4 we have. So I am pressing Ctrl F11. See, macro 5 sheet is open. The standard size, the sheet is totally formatted, and the rows equal level they created. So by using Ctrl F11 macro sheet can be opened. So next one is last one is Ctrl F12 is open dialog box. So if you see, if you want to open any file, so in the folder, again we have to go the folder and we have to select any of the folder, and you can able to open with. So instead of that, if you press Ctrl F12, so open dialog box will open. You can able to select any one of the folder, and you can able to open the any one of the sheet. See, I am opening this new sheet, so sheet is open. So like that you can able to open any pictures or any videos, anything you can able to open. You can able to open on the with the open dialog box. So thank you friends for watching my videos. If you feel our efforts are useful to you, please like the video and subscribe my channel. Thank you one and all.